Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Erfan, and as usual, I'm here with another interesting Math Olympiad question for you guys. Before I dive into the solution, I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Okay, as you can see in the figure, we are given the graph of a function. The domain is from -5 all the way to 5, and we are asked how many distinct solutions does the equation of f of x equals to 0 have. So in other words, we have to figure out the number of distinct solution of this composite function. Now, before I figure out the solutions, let's take a look at the number of roots of the f of x itself. In other words, what value of x makes f of x to be 0? And those are -4, -2, 2, and 4. And those points can be spotted on the graph easily. And now, let's ask the same question, but this time I'm looking for the values that I can put instead of f of x, which makes the function f to be 0. So that means I want this number, for example, to be -4. So I have to ask myself, for what inputs of x, the output of the function f of x becomes -4. And over here, you see that such value does not exist because the lowest value of the f of x within this domain is right here. So for -4, we have nothing. Let's move on to -2. Now, again, same question. For what value of x, the output of f of x becomes -2, because I know for sure -2 makes this f to become 0. So let's go from the graph and take a look at where the function of f of x takes the value of -2, and there are two distinct roots for that. So far we have 2. Let's move on to +2 and ask the same thing here. I'm looking for x's or inputs which makes the output of function f to be 2. So we just have to draw a horizontal line over here passing through the point 2 on y-axis, and it's going to cut the function f at 4 distinct points, and all those 4 points are distinct and acceptable. And lastly, I'm looking for all the x's, which makes the output of the function f of x to be 4. So that means these 2 points are what I'm looking for, and that would be the last 2, and that's a total of 8 distinct roots. Therefore, the final answer would be answer choice E. This was not a really challenging question, but it was difficult. You couldn't have answered it if you didn't have the knowledge of functions. I hope you enjoyed the video and my explanation was clear. Please let me know in the comment if you got the same answer, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with another Math Olympiad question. Thank you.